Opinion Best Minecraft House Ideas. 1. Beginner House. Minecraft is a sandbox game where you can create anything you can imagine with blocks. One of the most common things to build is a house, where you can live, store your items, and sleep. There are many ways to build a house in Minecraft, but here is a simple guide for beginners. 1. Find a flat and open area to build your house. You can also clear some trees or grass if needed. 2. Gather some basic materials, such as wood, stone, dirt, and sand. You can chop down trees with your hand or an axe, mine stone with a pickaxe, dig dirt and sand with a shovel, or craft them from other items. 3. Make a crafting table and place it on the ground. You can make a crafting table by placing 4 wooden planks in a 2x2 square in your inventory. 4. Use the crafting table to make more items, such as doors, windows, stairs, slabs, fences, torches, and beds. You can find the recipes for these items in the game menu or online. 5. Start building the walls of your house with any blocks you like. You can make them as big or small as you want, but make sure to leave some space for the door and windows. 6. Place the door and windows on the walls. You can make a door by placing 6 wooden planks in 2 vertical columns in the crafting table. You can make windows by placing 6 glass panes in 2 horizontal rows in the crafting table. You can make glass panes by smelting sand in a furnace. 7. Build the roof of your house with stairs or slabs. You can make stairs by placing 6 blocks of the same material in an L shape in the crafting table. You can make slabs by placing 3 blocks of the same material in a horizontal row in the crafting table. 8. Decorate the inside of your house with furniture and items. You can place a bed, a chest, a furnace, a crafting table, a bookshelf, a painting, a flower pot, or anything else you like. You can also add some carpets, banners, signs, or paintings to make it more cozy. 9. Light up your house with torches or lanterns. You can make torches by placing a stick and a coal or charcoal on top of each other in the crafting table. You can make lanterns by placing a torch and 8 iron nuggets around it in the crafting table. 10. Enjoy your new house. You can sleep in your bed at night to skip the dark and set your spawn point. You can store your items in your chest or furnace. You can craft more items in your crafting table or furnace. You can also expand your house or build more structures around it. This is one way to build a beginner house in Minecraft, but you can also use your own creativity and imagination to make it more unique and personal. Farmhouse. Underground base. Treehouse. Floating house. Modern house. Theme-based houses. Beach house. Forest house. Kingdom. Japanese house. Space base. Underwater Minecraft base. A house in Nether. Moving house.